Have you ever sat in a room full of people and still felt alone? Have you ever noticed that after 70, the calls become fewer, the visits almost fade away, and people who once cared, suddenly seem distant? If you've ever wondered, why is everyone drifting away, or what changed? Was it me? You are not alone. And today, we will gently uncover the real reasons, and more importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. After the age of 70, life changes in quiet but powerful ways. Children get busy with their own families, friends move away or pass on, routines shrink, and suddenly, without realizing it, seniors find themselves feeling invisible. Feeling ignored is painful at any age, but in later years, it can affect emotional well-being, self-confidence, and even physical health. But here is the truth. It is absolutely possible to rebuild connection. It is possible to feel valued, heard, and respected again. And small changes can create a big difference. Today's video is a gentle companion to guide you through exactly that. Point 1. People don't intentionally ignore you, life simply overwhelms them. When you were younger, you probably handled job, home, children, bills, responsibilities, stress, and endless tasks. Now imagine your children, or the younger people around you, they are living that same cycle. Most seniors say, "They don't call me because they don't care." But in truth, many younger adults say, "I feel guilty. I'm always so busy. I don't know where to start." Life speed increases for them, and unfortunately, seniors fall to the bottom of their priority list, not because they don't love you, but because they're stretched thin. How to fix it? Instead of waiting for their call, try calling first, even once a week. Send a simple message, thinking about you. Hope you're well. Keep conversations short and light. This small initiative often melts the distance instantly. Do you think someone in your life might be busy but would smile if you reached out first? Point 2. Seniors sometimes withdraw without noticing. A common thing happens after 70. Seniors start stepping back from social life, slowly, quietly, and often unintentionally. Your world becomes smaller. Same chair. Same room. Same routine. You may not even notice it, but withdrawal gives others the impression that you're not interested. You prefer being alone. You don't want visitors. And people stop trying. Imagine your neighbor sees you less often. They assume maybe they don't want company. So they stop knocking on the door. How to fix it? Sit outside for 10 minutes a day. Take a small walk near your home, wave at neighbors more often, attend a community program once a week. Visibility invites connection. Before we move on, I want to ask you something. Do you feel that you've slowly pulled back from social life without realizing it? Tell me your answer in the comments. I truly want to hear your experience. Point 3. Communication style changes with age. After 70, some people speak more directly, others complain more, others repeat things without meaning to. But younger people may misinterpret this as negativity, irritation, criticism. This creates emotional distance. Daily life example. You might say, "You never come to see me." They hear, "I'm failing. I'm a bad child." Young people avoid what makes them feel guilty or judged. How to fix it? Use warmer, softer language. Instead of, "You never call," try, "I feel happy when you call. It means a lot to me." Instead of, "You don't care," try, "I miss you. Let's talk soon." A gentle voice is more powerful than a harsh sentence. How often do you express your needs softly instead of with frustration? Point 4. Health issues create emotional distance without meaning to. Hearing problems, memory slips, slow walking, repeated asking, all these things can create small barriers between seniors and others. Not because people dislike you, but because they don't know how to communicate. Daily life example. Your grandchild talks fast. You ask, "What did you say?" They repeat. You ask again. They feel frustrated and stop engaging. You feel ignored, but both people are struggling. How to fix it? Mention calmly, "Please speak slowly. I understand better that way." Keep conversations short and simple. Use video calls so you can see expressions. If hearing is difficult, consider a simple hearing aid or ear device. Many seniors regain confidence instantly. Is there a health issue that's affecting your communication with others? Point 5. Younger generations don't understand what seniors truly need. Most younger people don't know. Seniors feel lonely easily. Seniors want company more than anything. Seniors need emotional connection. Seniors long for simple daily conversations. Young people assume that you are fine because you never say otherwise. How to fix it? Tell them clearly, but softly. I feel happy when you talk to me. I miss spending time with you. It would mean a lot if you visited once a week. People respond when they understand your emotional needs. Have you clearly shared what you truly need from your family? Point 6. Seniors sometimes talk only about illness or problems. This is very common. At an older age, health becomes a major part of life. But constant talk about illnesses, medicines, pains, financial problems, complaints, can feel heavy for others, especially younger people. Daily life example. You call your child and spend 20 minutes talking about knee pain. Next time they hesitate to call because they know the conversation will make them feel worried or helpless. Are your conversations balanced, or mostly about problems? Point 7. Emotional walls build up over time. Life struggles, losses, betrayals, regrets, all these make seniors more closed off. Many hold old wounds silently. When emotional walls rise, even loved ones can feel shut out. How to fix it? Allow yourself to open up gently. Share memories, not complaints. Tell your feelings softly. Forgive where possible. Start fresh conversations with a peaceful tone. You don't need to forget the past. Just don't let it stop your future connections. Is there someone you can reconnect with if you lower your emotional walls just a little? Point 8. Seniors sometimes stop showing interest in others. When you stop asking, "How are you? How was your day? What's new in your life? Are you okay?" People feel less connected. Daily life example. Your daughter visits. You talk only about yourself. She leaves feeling unheard. How to fix it? Become a good listener again. Ask simple questions. Tell me something good that happened today. How's work going? How are the children? When seniors show interest, people return with affection. Do you ask enough about the people you love? So today, we talked about something deeply emotional. Something many seniors feel but rarely say out loud. Feeling ignored after 70 doesn't mean people don't love you. It means life changed, communication changed, habits changed, and maybe you changed too. But the beautiful truth is, you can rebuild connection. You can bring people closer again. You can feel valued, seen, and heard, starting today. A warm smile, a soft tone, a simple message, a kind question. These small acts can heal distances that felt impossible. Remember, you still matter. Your presence still counts, your voice still has meaning. That if today's video touched your heart, I invite you, please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault. Your support helps this gentle community grow.